Alright, Zach with his new boat we just bought last night. We started gutting already. It was a real hack job here. Molded plywood, drywall screws, big no-nos. Construction adhesive, no good. As you can see, it's just in bad condition here. We're gonna clean it up real nice. Power washer, getting the plywood off here. Gonna reframe it out, put down some new plywood, and make it nice for the water. A nice little bed boat. That's all we took off so far.
It's not bad though. It'll be good.
Yeah.
Once we fix it up a little.
Around the trailer and everything.
Dude, they fucking snapped the drywall screws off in there.
Yeah, because they're corroded to hell. He's running those wires, I guess, for that light up there, to the battery?
No,
not using that shit.
That's it's a battery operated, D battery. I'm just gonna on.
So what the hell are these wires for, going up there for?
I think he said for the front chrome.
That's what they would be for, yeah.
Think I should leave them ran up there?
Yeah.
I think I'd run thicker wire though.
Thicker the better, yeah.
This is like fucking...
That's like, what, 7 gauge? 5?
Yeah.
Actually, no, what I'm saying, higher the number, the lower.
The higher the number.
15 gauge.
It's like 20 gauge wire.
Those are the garbage bag.
Alright, the boat is now gutted. Not too bad.
Oh, he's got fucking nails going to the bottom of it. Oh shit, look at that spider, almost just bit me.
God damn.
What, you know?
He's still there, bro.
Where? Yeah. Okay. It's completely gutted now.
Yep. Alright, it's coming along. Framing the back out right now.
Shit's gonna be bulletproof. How the fuck did this get up so high? Shit's gonna be seaworthy soon.
Coming along. So how's it going here, the John Boat remodel?
Shit's going good, man.
Well, we are still laying some down the seats. We got the front part here. We're gonna put the hinge on.
Store the anchor and life vest.
Get down on there. So that'll be a nice. Gotta put the plywood on there with the carpet for that seat. That one.
Make the rear hatch for the batteries.
Yep. Put the trans mount back on. Wood 2x6. Patch up some of these holes back here. Besides that, let me put the cap off the top of the carpet there with something.
Seats on too.
Yeah. Put the seats on. Then we'll be in business.
Catch some fish in it.
Hopefully it's like it. Hopefully a new boat's not like a new rod. It takes a while to get a fish on, like a jinx. Hopefully that's not the case.
Yeah, hell yeah. Maybe I should screw something like that.
So what's the progress report?
Almost finished. Damn.
Show the folks at home what we've done so far. We put the back door here on. Just got that done.
The front door, the seat covers.
This door up here. This hinges up. Put some things back down in there. Anchor, storage area. Put that seat down right there.
What do you think about this?
What?
What do you think? Harder.
Right in the middle of that bitch.
Like that. Get down in there.
Alright, what is this? What? Day 4?
Yeah, day 4 of the overhaul.
Got the trans mount on there, 6 bolts. Seats are in.
Gas motor now. Last
Almost
thing I
swore
have to do is
already.
cut the carpet and put the trim on.
I'll put the roads in first, and boat is now done. Pull motors on. Batteries in there. Rods. Put this little cap on here and rub it to the side. That's what Zach wanted to do, so that's what we did. Tune up the carpet there a little bit. There we go. Put your tackle boxes in there, anchor, whatever you want. Alright, Zach, we finally made it out in the water. It's 5:30 p.m.
The first voyage!
First voyage of the SHAG MOBILE. This thing is covered in carpet, baby. This is a luxury ride. Luxury of all luxury right here, right? No leaks.
This crew's here for a second till I don't know what they're doing.
Let's go on the left side of them. We got some clouds and it's got a little rain, so hopefully it should turn on fishing.
Recording? First bass on my boat.
First bass in the SHAG MOBILE while Zach learns how to drive it.
Not even really worth keeping, but not even worth bringing it in the boat.
Well,
hey, it's a fish though, man.
Thank you, sir.